Assalamualaikum class 6. I hope you all are doing great. So class, today is 5th of May 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Fine. So yesterday we studied about the concept of division of fractions. Isn't class? Division of fractions. So I have two by 3 divided by 4 by 9. So 2 by 3 is my first fraction and 4 by 9 is my second fraction. So class, what would we do in this? हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? Who will tell me? Hamad Aziz, you tell me. Very good. As I told you yesterday, we can't solve division of fractions. So we will simply change division sign into multiplication. Fine. जैसे ही हम उसको multiplication में change करते हैं, तो जो next fraction होता है वो क्या होता है? उसका reciprocal बन जाता है. Isn't? Okay. So let's see here class. The first fraction we will write as it is, which is 2 by 3. If you look, we have a division sign in between. So division sign को हम क्या करते हैं? Multiplication में change कर देते हैं. Fine. Division sign को किस में change कर रहे हैं हम? Multiplication में, because we can't solve division involving fractions. So we will change into multiplication. When we will change into multiplication, the next fraction will become the reciprocal of the given fraction. Okay? क्या मीनिंग इसका कि जो फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर है वो न्यूमरेटर बन जाएगा और जो न्यूमरेटर है वो क्या बन जाएगा? डिनोमिनेटर. सो वी विल राइट लाइक दिस. फाइन. नाउ इट इज इजी टू सॉल्व. We have two fractions and there is a sign of multiplication in between. So what would we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? Yes, Mariam, you tell me. Very good. We will multiply numerator part with numerator and denominator part with denominators. 2 into 9 like this and 3 into 4. Fine class? Okay. So 2 9 times, as you know, 18 and 3 4 times 12. Fine? So we have 18 by 12. So class, should we cut it? Should we cut in and will be written into its reduced form? क्या हम इसको लिख सकते हैं reduced form में? Yes. As you know, 2 6 times 12 and 2 9 times 18. So we have 9 by 6. अब ये कट हो सकता है 9 by 6 class? Yes. 3 2 times and 3 3 times. So we will write 3 by 2. 3 by 2 और कट हो सकते हैं? Should it cut more? No. Because 2 is not divisible by 3. It is a prime number and it is a even number. This is an even number. Now we will write by this like this. 3 will be written inside the division because it represents dividend, and 2 will be written outside the divisor which indicates denominator. Now, as you know, 2 times 4 which is greater than 3, so I will take 2 1 times 2. The next step is to subtract. क्या होता है next step हमारे पास? Subtraction. Now, 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we will write 1 by 2. So this is how we can write 3 by 2 into mixed number. Fine class? Okay, so this is all which is related to previous lesson. Now in today lesson we have multiplication of negative fractions. Multiplication of negative fractions. So today we will learn how we can solve multiplication of negative fractions. I have question number 5 from exercise number 2D, page number 52, and the statement is find the value of each of the following. Each of the following. A part, I have 64 divided by 15. Then I have a multiplication sign, then bracket minus 3 by 8. Okay? So class, if you look, we have two fractions. The first is 64 by 15 and the other is 3 by 8. But if you look, there is a sign with 3 by 8 is minus. Okay? हमारे पास क्या sign है? Minus. So firstly we will solve 64 by 15. Multiplication, then minus 3 by 8. हम इस minus को we can write like this also. ठीक है? What is the next step class? The same criteria will be followed that we have discussed multiplication of positive fractions. इसमें भी same वही है but involvement किसकी हो जाएगी? Negative sign की. So we will write negative sign as it is. Okay? And according to sign table we will we will assign negative or positive sign according to the condition. So firstly we will write 64 by 15 as it is. Fine? Minus 3 by like this. क्या करते हैं हम लोग जब multiplication of fraction आती है हमारे पास? We will simply multiply numerator part with numerator and denominator part with denominator. Isn't class? ऐसे लिखते हैं ना हम इसको. Okay. So we have 64 into minus 3 which represents numerator part and in denominator we have 15 into 8. Fine? So 64 into 3. 3 4 times 12. 2 digit number. So what is the value which is at unit place class? 2. And what is the value which is at tens place? 1. So we will write the value which is at unit place is 2 below here and 1 as a carry because it is the rule of any operation. Fine? Now 3 6 times 18 and 1 add करेंगे so we get 19. We have 192. But if you look, there is a sign which is negative. Which is negative. So we will write, as you look, there is a sign with 64 is plus. यहाँ पे तो नहीं mention है तो how would we know this? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि यहाँ पे plus sign है? Yes, Amna, you tell me. Very good. As I told you, when there is no sign, so we can simply take as positive. Okay? जब हमारे पास कोई साइन अटैच नहीं होता तो हम उसको क्या कहते हैं कि वहां पे कौन सा साइन है? पॉजिटिव. So according to sign table we have plus minus minus. We have minus in the we will multiply 120 to the number which make nearest to 192, isn't? Okay, so 122 times 2, 0 times 0, 2, 2 times 4 and 2, 1 times 2, 240, which is greater than dividend, isn't class? So I will write 120 1 times 120. What is the next step class? नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमारा क्या होता है डिवीजन में? डिवीजन में नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है? ओके, सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर क्लास बिकॉज इट इज द रूल ऑफ डिवीजन. 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 2 is 7. So as you know class, we have 72 in the dividend and 120 is in the divisor. So is it possible to divide more? No. So we will write into mixed fraction like this. 72 will be shift in this part. 120 will be shift into denominator. 120, 72 and 1 as a whole. Fine. So class, the negative sign will be written as it is. Okay, negative sign as it is आएगा. Now if you look, we have 72 by 120 in the fraction. So class, should we cut it? क्या हम इसको कट कर सकते हैं? Yes, because as you look, we have 2 in the unit place and 0 in the denominator and in the unit place. So as you know, the number ended with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is divisible by 2. So we will simply cut by the table of 2. 2 3 times 6, 1 यहाँ shift हो जाएगा. This will make 2-digit number which is 12. Now 2 3 times 6 times is 12. अब इसको करेंगे हम 2 6 times 12 and 0. So we have fraction 36/60. Okay, as you know class, अब again इसको हम कट कर सकते हैं because its value ended with 6 and the denominator part ended with 0. So minus sign as it is. 2 1 times and 2 8 times 16. 2 3 times and 0 as it is. Again इसको कर सकते हैं because its unit ended with 8 and its unit ended with 0. So 2 9 times and 2 1 times and 2 1 times and 2 5 times 10. So class, 2 1 times and 2 5 times 15. We have a fraction which is minus 1 9 by 15. Okay, अब हमारे पास जो फ्रैक्शन है वो क्या है? 9 by 15. So should it cut more class? क्या हम इसको और कट कर सकते हैं? Very good. We will cut into this. 3 times and 3 5 times. So we will write 3 by 5. Minus 1 3 by 5. So this is the way to write into mixed number. Now I am going to repeat this example. You have to be listen very carefully. I have a question in which find the value of each of the following. Okay, and I have two fractions. The first is 64 by 15 and the other is minus 3 by 8. Yesterday we discussed multiplication of fractions involving positive sign, but यहाँ क्या है? नेगेटिव साइन इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है. सेम क्राइटेरिया हम लास्ट टाइम की तरह फॉलो करेंगे, बट नेगेटिव साइन जो है उसको हम किसके बेस के ऊपर असाइन करेंगे? साइन टेबल की बेस के ऊपर. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने रूल्स पढ़े हुए ना, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वॉल्विंग नेगेटिव साइन, सो उसकी बेस पे. Now we will simple multiply numerator part with numerator and denominator part with denominator. So in this way we have 192 minus 192 and 120 in the denominator. Fine class. Now in next step what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? हम सिंपल इसको डिवाइड करेंगे एंड हमारे पास जो है वो कौन सा हम उसको मिक्स नंबर में लिखेंगे. सो इन द एंड वी हैव माइनस 172 बाय 120. फाइन. अब आपने क्या करना है कि जो होल नंबर है वो एज इट इज आ जाएगा और ये देखना है कि अगर तो फ्रैक्शन कट हो रहा है सो हम उसको रिड्यूस फॉर्म में कट कर देंगे. फाइन. अगर आप देखो तो 72 and 120 the unit place of both values which is divisible by 2. Okay, दोनों जो हैं वो divisible होते हैं 2 पे. so I will cut into in the table of on the table of 2. so in numerator I have after divisible by 2 is 36 and denominator I have 60. अब मैंने दोबारा देखा कि मेरा यूनिट प्लेस न्यूमिनेटर का 6 है और डिनोमिनेटर का 0 है. अगेन वो जो है डिवाइड हो रहा है टेबल 2 पर, तो हम उसको कट करेंगे एंड इन द एंड आई गेट माइनस 13 बाय 5 विच इज माय आंसर. फाइन क्लास. यहां तक सबको क्लियर है? ओके. नाउ आई हैव अनदर एग्जांपल विच इज 14 बाय 15. डिवीजन इन्वॉल्विंग हो रहा है बट उससे पहले आई हैव सी पार्ट माइनस 6 1 बाय 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 बाय 14. सो क्लास एज यू लुक वी हैव दिस इज मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन सो वी विल चेंज इनटू फ्रैक्शन. क्या करते हैं हम डिनोमिनेटर को होल नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई वी विल multiply this by this and in the end we get 48. Now we will add this number into it which have 49. 49 by 8. Negative sign क्या होगा? As it is. Fine. Multiplication sign as it is and 3 by 14 as it is which is the next fraction. Okay class. अब देखो if you look we have two fractions. ऐसे ही आपके पास दो फ्रैक्शन है एंड वी हैव मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन इन बिटवीन. सो हम क्या करते हैं व्हेन वी हैव मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन इन बिटवीन? वेरी गुड. वी विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिनेटर पार्ट विद न्यूमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट विद डिनोमिनेटर. सो 49 3 times of 49. It is the rule of enumeration that we will start from the right side. Now I will start from this side. Now 3 into 9 which is 27. I have 2 digits. So what is the value which is at unit place? 7. So I will write below here and 2 as a carry. Fine. 3 4 times 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14. So in the end I have minus 147 in the numerator and if you look I have 8 into 14 in the denominator. So I will simply multiply 8 into 14 class. ऐसे करूँगी मैं. Okay. So 14 8 times. 8 4 times 32. 3 carry. 8 1 times 8 9 10 11 1 1 2. Fine. 1 1 2. So class in the end we will divide which is 147 1 1 2. अब हम सिंपल इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. So 1 2 multiply by 2 which we get greater value comparison to 147. So I will take 1 time 1 1 2. Okay. Now the next step of division is subtraction. So I will subtract here. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 4 minus 1 is 3. I will shift 35 in the numerator, 1 as a whole and 112 as a in the division in the denominator. Minus sign as it is, 112 in the division denominator, 35 in the numerator and 1 as a whole. Fine class? So class, we will cut 35 by 112 by the table of 7, which is 7 5 times 35, 7 1 times 7 and 4 यहाँ shift कर देंगे. This will make 2 digit number which is 42. So as you know, 7 6 times 42. Okay. Now we will stop here because 5 by 16 is the fraction which is not divisible by the same table. So we will stop here. In the end we have minus 1 5 by 16. Minus 1 5 by 16. Okay, so this is the answer. If you find any difficulty related to multiplication involving negative fractions, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.